Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to design a medical induction flyer in Pixellab. So this is the design we are going to be designing in Pixellab. I'm going to quickly hide the design and we continue, or we start from afresh. So we're going to change the background color to this color. So I'm going to import a shape. Okay, just need to increase the size. Okay, increase the radius. Okay, I'll then make a duplicate of this shape. Click on edit and reduce the radius like this. Okay, I'll make a duplicate again this time around. Then I'll click on edit. I'll move it up here. Okay, we've gotten our shape. Let's check if it's in line. Okay, so we're gonna merge all the shapes together so that we got the shape that we want. Okay, so this is the shape that we are looking for. Let's lock our layer. So we head over to our gallery, then we import our background. So we head over to relative size, we increase the size. Go to the layer side, click and drag. We lock our layer like this. We then import our image. Increase the size. We're gonna place it somewhere here. Somewhere here. We lock our layer. We click on a plus icon, go for a shape. Increase the radius. Then we change the color to red. Place it here. And we're going to reduce the opacity. To something like that. Okay. We lock our layer as well. Okay, so we then click on a plus icon, go for a shape. Need to change the color as well. Increase radius. Enable our grid lines. Place one here. Place the other one to here. Make a duplicate. You click on edit. Reduce radius. Move it here. You make a duplicate. Click on edit. We want to get a custom shape like that. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna merge the shape together. Let's reduce the size, then replace it somewhere here. Click on the plus icon, go for test. Let's change the test color to this color. We click on edit. I have the test on my clipboard, so I'm just gonna paste it here. Yeah. Then we head over to font. I'm gonna search for Mont, which is Montserrat. Yeah. Spacing, I'm gonna spacing, then yeah, I'm gonna increase it a bit. Okay, so something like this is okay. Click on test again, place it here. I'm gonna change the color to Mont. I need to use Montserrat again. This one will be the medium one. I'll head over to edit. I just need to paste it. Yeah, reduce the size. Reduce the size. Let me change the color to black and see. Okay, black is okay. Yeah. Click on the plus, go for test. Click on edit. Go to my clipboard and yeah. Yes. And you head over to font. You're gonna use the same font. We change the color to black. Reduce the size a bit. Reduce it. And replace it somewhere here. Place it here. Replace it here. Then we click on the plus icon, go for test again. Place it here. Click on edit. Need to type this. Yeah. Farm. Let's change the color to black. Then we head over to font. We change the font. We're gonna use this particular font over here. Yeah. We click on a plus icon, go for a test. We move it here. We head over to font. We're gonna use Montserrat regular. And we change the color to red over here. Go to edit. Yeah, that's the name, Serenium. Reduce the size a bit. You make a duplicate, replace it here, go to edit. You head over to font and you change the font. Increase the size a bit. Increase the size a bit. Increase the size. Enable your grid line so that make sure what you are doing is in line. Yeah. You push it down a bit. Okay. You then make a duplicate of this text. Place it here. Click on edit. Go to your clipboard. I have it on my clipboard, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, yeah. I then need to import a resource for my gallery. I will import this. Yeah. This is what I'm going to use. Yes. I'm gonna leave a link to every resource I'm using in this video in the description below, so you check it out. Yeah. So you click on this and make a duplicate. You place it here, then you change the color to white. You need to reduce the size. Place it here. Go to edit. I have it on my clipboard, so I'm just gonna. The location is here. Yeah. So that's the location for the program. And you head over to size, then reduce the size to, let's say, 10. Yeah, 10 will be okay. Go to position and you position it well. Yeah, I think I need to increase this. Okay, yeah, this is okay. You then again click on this, make a duplicate, replace it here. Go to my clipboard and just paste what I have there. That's the date for the program. There. You make a duplicate again. You move it down over here. Go to edit. The time for the program is 10 a.m. prompt. Okay. Make a duplicate of this text. Place it somewhere here. And change the color to white. I'll then again click on edit. Go to my clipboard. Then just type in school. Yeah. I'll head over to alignment. line spacing, then I'll close the spacing in between the text a bit. Okay, so I'll import my logos. Yeah, reduce the size, and replace it here. Can you use position to position it well? Okay. Import the other logo. Reduce the size. Use position to position it well. Let's select both and position it well. Okay, yeah. Let's reduce the size a bit. We can zoom in and reduce the size like this. Yeah, select this one to reduce the size. Yeah. Then you zoom out. Make sure the text is positioned properly in the middle. Yeah. Click on the plus icon. Go to our gallery. Gonna import. Yeah, this one. Increase the size like this. You click and drag under the image. And reduce opacity. Reduce opacity to, yeah, reduce opacity. Then again, import another image from our gallery. Just increase the size. Replace it somewhere here. Like this. And you head over to color filter. Reduce saturation to 0. Head over to opacity. Then reduce opacity to, let's say, 8. Okay. And you go to the layer side. You click and drag under the image. Click and drag under the image. Lock your layer. Alright, so yeah,